Now, from Toledo's news leader, this is WTOL News 11, your day.
It's something that parents just don't want to think about, but it is important to be prepared just in case. We're talking about if your child were to ever have a serious accident. It's very emotional, obviously, even sometimes a heartbreaking topic, but one local attorney is trying to help. Chuck Boyk joins us this morning to talk about his new book, Little Kids, Big Accidents, the ultimate guide to child injury cases in Ohio. Chuck, thanks for being here. We appreciate it. Got the book right here.
Thanks.
Yeah, why did you decide to write a book like this, first of all?
Well, for the last 25 years, we found on a daily basis we're dealing with child injury cases, auto accidents, pedestrian accidents, dog bites, medical negligence cases, and we've always had the belief that knowledge is power. In order to make intelligent decisions, parents need to know their legal rights and options, and we thought the best way is just to put it in a book.
Okay. What are some of the basic things that most parents probably don't know but should know when it comes to their rights?
I think the most important thing is that children have rights under Ohio law, and in order to protect your case, children need to do a lot of different things. First of all, if a child's injured in an accident, the parent should seek immediate medical attention. They should follow up with their pediatrician, and they should follow the instructions of their pediatrician. Second thing they need to do is to document everything. They should get photos of the injuries. They should contact an attorney to try to get witness statements. They should get involved with a private investigator in order to preserve witness statements and preserve the scene of the accident.
The point being, obviously, Chuck, is that, I mean, there are legal issues involved when these sorts of things happen, but it's something we don't think about, especially at the time. You know, the emotions are running wild, and so you're not thinking about these things. But if we prepare now, then we're ready when these things, God forbid, maybe do happen to our families.
Right, that's exactly right.
Okay, and of course, the worst case scenario, of course, is the loss, dealing with the loss of a child. You guys get into that too.
Right. Obviously, children are our hopes and dreams, and the loss of a child is probably the worst thing that could ever happen to a family. When something like that happens, there's the grieving process, there's the process of recovery, and then there's the legal process. And parents need to know their legal options of what they can do if, God forbid, something like that would happen.
All right, and there are several ways, if you're interested, that you can actually get a copy of this book. And by the way, it's free. That's the best part here. Number one, you can call 1-800-479-8203 and dial extension 1238. And of course, if you don't have time to jot this down, we're going to post all this information on our website, WTOL.com/yourday. Chuck, thanks so much. Very interesting, very appropriate, very important project you guys have undertaken. We appreciate you doing this and being here today to talk about it.
Thank you very much.
All right, Michael, over to you.
Hey, Scott.